What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. Gonna be doing a really quick, kind of short video tonight. We got something for the bike, kind of custom. Let me show you. Alright, boys and girls, we have this for the motorcycle. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is a custom garage door opener that a gentleman on a Facebook group that I follow, he makes these things. On road glides, and he makes them for street glides as well. Comes with this little button here, which does light up. Will go on, it goes where your cigarette lighter goes. You'll take that out and you put this in, and then just plug that in to the harness where your cigarette lighter would have plugged in at. So I think we're going to put it in tonight. I was going to wait on getting something else for this before I took it apart, because I have to take it apart again. But I don't feel like waiting, and I want to put this in, so we're going to take it apart. You guys have seen me take the front end of that thing apart several times. We'll take it apart, and then we'll come back and show you what we're doing. Alright, now she's all tore apart here. Now, this is what we're removing. This plug, that's what the garage door opener will plug into. And then you're going to remove this little guy here somehow. I guess that just unscrews. Hang on. Oh, I can't find my stupid tripod mount, so I'm having to freehand you. Oh, just stick your finger in the socket and just unscrew the back part there, and it just comes off. There we go. If anybody wants a Harley cigarette lighter, it'll be over there. Unplug the little button from that, and then there's a little big screw on there. Just take the nut off and then stick it through. When you take your cigarette lighter out, if you still have the little flappy cover, this is what holds it to the cigarette lighter. You just have to cut the little thing off, and you can take just a gasket with that little square portion on there. And I'm going to stick it behind this button, because if not, you can see that little square part where that little square thing goes. What that'll do is it'll fill that little hole, and you won't be able to see that little square portion at the bottom of the button, which looks kind of stupid. So yeah, now it'll be like that there. I'll show you. It'll be all nice and neat like that. Sorry I don't have a better view. Like I said, I can't find my tripod mount to mount this to the tripod. So this is what you got for tonight. Alright, so that's in there. Then you got all this to contend with, which I imagine it just rolls up nice and neat and will sit behind that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to 3M the receiver right there, and then plug it in. I think you have to program it first, so I'm going to do that. Plug it in, and then we'll plug it into the bike real quick to see what happens. There's two little spade connectors. They go right in, no problem. Just like that. Okay. Let me read the instructions real quick. It comes with this Chamberlain universal remote instructions. So it is an actual garage door opener. Well, as you can see, it is lit up. It's white. I chose white. It has like six or nine different colors, and you can get black or stainless. Alrighty, so press and hold the button on the remote you wish to use. Release the button when the garage door opener blinks. Light blinks or 2 clicks are heard. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so the bike is on, the opener is powered. So we're gonna go up here to my opener, which is a LiftMaster. Press and release. And then we press this button, hold it down. It's got a little blue light on that now. I don't know what that's about. Alright, let's read the instructions again. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. I found some different instructions. It says to press and hold the button on the clicker till the light turns blue. Okay, so that's blue. And then on the Chamberlain, you have to press it. Press the Smart Learn button. Okay, that's learning. Alright then. Alright, so I have to press that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Ooh, my thing blinked. So now if we have it done right, we press this, the thing should open. No. Okay. Press the button to save it. Test by pressing the button you programmed. Get that one. Just save it. Okay, so it's saved. Nice. That's awesome. Alright, so we roll up in the driveway. Just hold the button down. Opens the door. Nice. Alright. We get inside. Hold the button down. Closes the door. Nice. That was awesome. Okay. That little upgrade is a must-have. Well, let me explain it. This one is a MyQ Wi-Fi opener, and if anybody has one of those, you can open it with an app on your phone. A lot of times, I'm rolling in and it's, I roll in the driveway or something and it's closed, and I have to stop, take my gloves off, open the app, and all this other stuff. And here recently it's been wintertime, and I have to stop, take gloves off, it's cold, blah blah blah. Yeah, $160. We did this. We can just hit the button. It looks cool. It's just a little white LED light. That kind of goes with everything else. Yeah. And when you turn the bike off, the LED goes off as well. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a few minutes here neatly tucking it into the side of the fairing here. Really, I'm just gonna put some two-sided tape on the back of this, and then I'm gonna just tuck it in there like that. That's really all I'm gonna do. So yeah, and then we'll put it all back together. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I will link this gentleman down below, his Facebook, and I guess his phone number. I mean, if that's anybody, well, I don't know. I will link this gentleman's information down below. I don't think he has a website. You just had to look him up on Facebook and just shoot him a little message. Shipping was super quick. He's got a lot of these things just pre-made. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed the video, go down and hit us a like and subscribe. We will see you soon in the next video. We got a couple upgrades coming. Just waiting on the freaking mail system. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.